Hi everyone and welcome to Perima's Kitchen. I am Selena and today I'm going to show you how to roast garlic bulbs. You can also very easily roast individual cloves as well. I like to add it to my vegetables while it's roasting and it makes life so much easier and I really enjoy the flavor. So let's get to it. I will show you my method. First, I remove all the excess skin. Just peel them off slightly. They should come off quite easily. And once you can start seeing the garlic cloves, you will then need to just slice the edge of your garlic bulb with a very sharp knife. And once you've given it a clean cut, you can face it upwards on some foil. Drizzle some olive oil on it. Followed by some salt and some freshly cracked black pepper. 3 simple ingredients. Close up your bulb and pop it into your oven with the rest of your veggies. I leave mine in the oven for about 35 to 45 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. And once your garlic bulbs are ready, you can leave it aside for a few seconds just to cool down. And then you literally pull out each clove and use as you require. You can squeeze your garlic through it or just peel out the outer layer to reveal the garlic. Garlic is packed with flavor. When it's roasted, that flavors are enhanced. And you can add it to so many different dishes. You can add it to your salads. You can add it to a side of your veggies. You can add it to your homemade hummus. You can just add it to your toast like I'm doing right now. And you've got perfect garlic toast. If you're following Never Hungry recipes, this is the perfect side to all of your yummy roast veggies, to your salads, to your hummus, to your stews, to your stir fries. There's so many options. I will go through all the benefits in the series. Please have a look at that. It will shed more light on the powerful benefits of garlic. And if you can add some raw garlic cloves to your meal, chop it up, dice it up, smash it up, press it down and enjoy. That's one of the best ways to savor your garlic. I think I quite enjoy roasted garlic because it gives me that consistency of butter, which is so yummy and it's very indulgent. Please subscribe. Kindly hit the notification bell so you are notified when a new video is uploaded. Please like and share, and your comments are always very welcome. See you again soon in Perima's Kitchen. I am Selena.